I purchased the Tern BYB in the beginning of 2020. At the time, I was a bike shop owner and had a lot of plans to travel in 2020 for professional and personal trips. And so I picked up the Tern BYB. This is something I purchased long before being a Tern employee. I purchased it with a few things in mind. The first being it packs down in that super small, compact setup with no tools required. It's super simple to work, but as a bike mechanic, the last thing I want to do on a vacation or a trip is to deal with my own bike. And the BYB packs up super small in that Airporter Slim, that piece of luggage that you saw me use. I personally checked it with Southwest without any baggage fees. The second reason I picked up the BYB was because it fits all the adults in my family. So if I go on a family vacation, it's really rare that my wife and I get to go on bike rides together because we have 2 young kids. And this is a bike that fits both of us. So I can ride it, she can ride it, my in-laws can ride it, and it's just there ready whenever I need. And then the third thing is it makes it so I don't have to rent a bike or deal with the logistics of renting a bike. We've gone on family vacations where my wife and I have rented bikes, and it was like $500 because it was $250 times 2. And this is just there ready. There's no guilt of having it with us because it didn't cost anything extra to bring with us. And it's fairly painless. In a future video, I will go over what I brought with me to outfit the bike. I did have some tools in case I got a flat tire. I use a little front Kanga rack that attaches without any tools required. And that allowed me to bring a jacket, a bag, and then a rear light and a little quad lock for my phone. Just snaps in, and then I can use this for navigation using Ride with GPS because I had no clue where I was. Before I set out, I set a route up on Ride with GPS on what looked like low stress routes. I had that loaded up on my phone and it was locked in my handlebar, and I could just ride, enjoy what was around me, and my phone would tell me when I had to turn, much like your car GPS. So I loved bringing my bike, low stress. It was something easy for me to deal with, especially because I wanted to focus on my family and my small children, and the bike was just there when I had the opportunity to go for a ride. So look for that full review in the future, but I did want to disclaim, I purchased this bike long before I was a Tern employee. Designs like this are one of the reasons I joined the team. I love that Tern designs product like this, where I can fit a bike ride into my daily life without the stress or concern of all the other variables. Thanks for watching this video. Stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.